Split string on whitespace in Python. I'm looking for the Python equivalent of
The str.split method without an argument splits on whitespace.
Using split will be the most Pythonic way of splitting on a string. It's also useful to remember that if you use split on a string that does not have a whitespace, then that string will be returned to you in a list. Example.
Another method through remodule. It does the reverse operation of matching all the words instead of splitting the whole sentence by space. Above regex would match one or more non-space characters.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.